Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is CCDN Content-Centric Data Center Network. Let me see the abstract. Data center network continually seek higher network performance to meet the ever-increasing application demand. Recently, researchers are exploring the method to enhance the data center network performance by intelligent catching and increasing the access points for guard data chunks. Motivated by this, we come up with a simple yet useful catching mechanism for generic data centers. That example, a server catches a data chunk after an application on it reads the chunk from the file system and then uses the catched chunk to serve subsequent chunk requests from nearby servers. To turn the basic idea into a practical systems and address the challenges behind it, we designed content generic data center networks, which exploits on innovative combination of content based forwarding and location. Internet protocol based forwarding in switches to correctly locate the target server for a data chunk on a fully distributed basis. Furthermore, CCDN enhances traditional content based forwarding to determine the nearest target server and enhance traditional location based forwarding to make the high utilization of the precise memory space in switches. Extensive simulations based on real-world workload and experiments on a test bed built with a net FPGA prototype, so that even with a small portion of the server storage as cache and with a modest content forwarding information base size, example 100 in the 100 or 1000 entries in switches, CCDN can improve the average throughput to get data chunks by 43% compared with the pure Hadoop file systems in a real data center. Let me see the flow diagram. Then start the process, log into account, valid user only access the next process, invalid persons then retire the login and send the message if the message buffer executed the traffic transaction table to present in the database. Create node, then create intermediate node, document position, then split server, receive message, then performance, end the processes, and let me see the run our process. Go to the send data. New user only registered the personal info stored in the database to provide in your first name, last name, select the center, then male or female to choose that, then password and confirm password. Go to the sign up button and go to the login to provide in your mail ID and password to go to the sign in button. Another process is go to the choose in your file, documents, then no text files available in that place, so desktop. And go to the message has been sent successfully and go to decomposition, then To choose the message ID and send to destination. And already stored the files to view that. Then allocate to produce in your message ID, and to get the all information, date and time, IP address and MAC address. To go to the home page, and receive data. To select the message ID and receive whenever informations. Then server go to lot of information available in that Q1 and Q11, date and time, IP address, MAC address, then cost and auto ID, all things display in the globe. Then another process is admin separate login to view that performance graph. Click to see traffic report. Then another process is node creation. Then enter the number of nodes to create, for example 15. Then multiply node. Connect